Your content is of the highest quality, but command over the search engine optimization is needed to help it reach a wider audience. Dive into this video, which presents the intricacies of SEO in the healthcare industry. We start with a primer on the significance of implementing SEO in healthcare. You will gain valuable insights and explore the rationale behind its importance with this content-ready presentation. Download this PPT set to optimize your healthcare services for SEO. Not just that, get up to 15% off with a click on the link below. Use this resource to undertake a competitor analysis and conduct medical keyword research, enabling you to make well-informed decisions. Once you understand what your competitors are offering, you can enhance your services and strategically price them to provide greater value to your target audience. Always ensure your content is of high quality to improve your SEO. Then, apply the learnings on these slides, which provide insights on leveraging links and backlinks to expand your reach on the internet. Unlock the power of SEO for your healthcare business with our comprehensive PowerPoint guide. Follow the link in the description to download and start optimizing today. To assist you with the smooth implementation of these strategies, we have prepared slides that guide you through the concept of local SEO. A part of the PPT preset is also dedicated to emphasize the significance of website speed and mobile optimization. Additionally, this PPT set assists you in optimizing your media elements to enhance the appeal of your pages. It covers the importance of alt tags and why these are crucial for your content. Our aim is to ensure that you can execute all steps with confidence and without any worries. To ensure you have everything in place, we have included a comprehensive checklist template. Want more? Here's a list of dos and don'ts to assist you in the error-free implementation process and ensure a smooth and successful execution of the SEO magic. Visit www.slideteam.net to find many more such PPT decks.